Riri munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja akũrĩirwo maitho nĩ kĩoho faini kana ciere-inĩ kwaga gwĩkinyia igoti-inĩ gũcokia ciũria ikonainĩ na ũnyitani mĩgwate bũrũri-inĩ. Minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Kipchumba Murkomen nĩ ateteire Douglas Kanja na rũhonge rwa borithi akiuga nĩ mararuta wĩra kũringana na watho.
Mwenye uwezo na mamlaka mkuu.
Akĩaria thukuru-inĩ wa mathomo wa maabitha a borithi mwena wa Embakasi igongona-inĩ rĩa kanitha, Murkomen nĩ orĩtie Kanja na maabitha a ũgitĩri matikaguoyohio nĩ macira marĩ wĩra-inĩ wao.
Do the right thing. If a terrorist is facing you with a gun, deal with him with a gun. That is the only reason why we bought the gun. You know, there is no way you will say, because I fear that maybe I will be taken to court or to be charged elsewhere, or let me negotiate with a terrorist. You will not be there to be charged. We will mount the best defense and support for you, because we want to make sure that the country is safe.
Mĩario ĩno yũkĩte thikũ inya thutha wa mũcirithania Bahati Mwamuye kũrutĩra Kanja mũkana wa gũtuĩrwo kĩoho nĩ kwaga gwĩkinyia mbere yake gũcokia ciũria cia ũnyitani mĩgwate, Mwamuye akĩmũhe nginyagia tarĩki 27 mweri ũyũ kwaga ũguo atuĩrwo.
Even as the debate is raging on public, on social media and anywhere, there is no government policy, neither is there a police service policy, neither by the command of the police nor the ministry itself, for abductions.
We are telling our young ones what is wrong, and it is important that they listen when we say what they're doing or some of the things they're doing is not correct. It cannot be that they want to turn around and use that as an excuse that they've learned from us. If they've learned from us, we are telling them that that is wrong and they must do what is right.
Ciĩko cia ũnyitani mĩgwate ikuruhanĩtio na mbeũ njĩthĩ kũhũthĩra nenda cia ũkinyanĩria gũkĩrĩra na gũtetia thirikari nĩ ũtongoria mũũru, ungumania na maũndũ marĩa matarakenia a Kenya.
You allow our children who are here to grow up in a society where you draw people and put them in a coffin, you know, and share to the public or send to their friends, we will never be a country that is a country of law and order.
No Murkomen agĩtĩtĩrithia ũhũthĩri mũũru wa nenda cia ũkinyanĩria nĩ ihĩtia.
The penal code is very clear in section 223. Threatening somebody, whether in words or in action or in signs or in picture, is a crime that attracts a sentence of up to 10 years.
Hii maneno ya kuwekwa jeneza, kwani mnaogopa kifo namna gani? Mtakufa siku moja. Mnapiga kelele ati umewekwa jeneza, hata ungewekwa jeneza kwani umekufa? What is the problem? Mnaleta shida mingi. Mtakufa siku moja.
Mwena-inĩ wake munene wa borithi na mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Raymond Omolo nĩ monanĩtie kwaga kũiganĩra nĩ a Kenya kwaga gũkũrana wĩra wao.
Security is equal to the air that we breathe. Right now everybody here is breathing oxygen, but we don't think much about it until some tear gas or something bad is introduced to it. The only time now you start even calling God in heaven to come in person.
Let's take a moment to really engage our colleagues, to support our colleagues, so that we project that good image of this administration, but also that good image that the citizens of this country expect of us.
Kameme TV ngĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.